Well, okay guys, I am back working on the utility building and I'm working on the other door. You guys have already seen the one video of the one side of the door that I did. So I am not going to put you through that again. So I'm going to show you a start and then we're going to fast forward to the finish. So here we go. Okay guys, we fast forwarded here. I didn't want to bring you through redoing the right hand door since you had already seen the left one done. So I basically repeated the process with one exception, and it is the middle board here. Probably wouldn't notice it if you look from far away, but this door has to have the overlap to this door to lock it in. And so what I did is I wanted to keep this is 32 inches, and I wanted to keep the dimensions on my angles the same. So I did the same thing over here, and I had to go with a 5-inch board instead of a 4 to get my overlap and to make that come out just right. So anyway, I think that turned out nice. So this whole end of the building, other than the top part, has all been stained. This is all going to change because I'm going to put on a different fascia board. I'm actually going to put on a 1x4 fascia board on the outside of this 2x4. And when I redo the roof, you'll see how all that ties together. But for now, this end is done. So now I am moving on to getting the soffits done. By changing up this side, this is a 1/2 inch thick siding. This changed up all the measurements through here, so I had to redo that. And let me show you guys, let me grab my speed square. Let me show you guys a really neat trick here. So when you're figuring your distances, you come up to here, you just go straight up like that, make your mark. This is the bottom of here. I am going to use this as my straight line. I will put my soffit, will cut out, and it will come just like to this. And then my fascia board will go here. And so this is what I'm going to work on this afternoon and get this done. Well, okay guys, this finishes up another update on the utility building. It's coming along really well. I didn't get as much done this weekend as I had wanted to. I just kept getting pulled away. The full-time job is keeping me busy during the week, and so a lot of other things to catch up on the weekend besides doing projects. So kept getting pulled away, but no big deal. 'Tis life, right? But anyway, let me spin around and show you. So as you guys have already seen, the doors are done other than the trim piece up at the top. I now have my soffits done, my fascia board on, and I left this long for a reason. Once I get the roof shingles off, I'm going to come over here with a 1x4 and I'm going to do soffits up here too. I left this long so I can get a nice mark and make this a nice fit once I put my fascia board on the end. So this is just, I wanted to get them up, so again I just cut them long. So anyway, as you remember, the 2 windows were here. That's all gone now. All the new trim work is up. These are so much more bold looking with the true 1x4s rough cut, and again it gives it more of that rustic look. So I think it's turning out really good so far, and we're going to call that in. Now, one thing I want to do is come along with me, and I'm going to show you one of the things I got sidetracked on this weekend. It's pretty cool, and hang on a sec and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Well guys, I'm all the way on the backfield. As you guys know, you've seen videos in the past of the shed work that I've been doing. Behind me, it belongs to my neighbor where I have acreage. He has fields that goes behind me and then over beside me. You've also seen me do the videos where we took the fence line down. We're still planning to take the rest of that down over there. But my neighbor is come in and he is adding a gate right here and redoing all of his fence line down through here, and then all of that other fence line is going away. So this is going to be a nice new clean edge. By taking this fence down, it's opened it up so we can work together. I was actually helping him with my tractor doing some grapple work, and the reason I'm telling you guys all this, it was a priceless reaction on his face. Let me get over here and I'll show you. In between where the posts are now were these metal posts, and I told I told him that we can definitely pull that out with a grapple, and he'd never seen a grapple work before. So I said, let me grab my tractor, let me put the grapple on real quick, and I'll be over here and we'll pop them out. So he's grabbing a chain and standing there waiting on me with a tractor, and I said, dude, we don't need a chain, just back up. So I was able to, when these were in the ground, I reached over and came down over top of them, grabbed them with the grapple and just lifted them out of the ground. And if you could have seen the look on his face, it was priceless. It was really cool. I've been trying to talk him into getting a grapple for his tractor. He hasn't done it yet, but now that he's seen one in action firsthand, who knows, maybe he'll get one. They're such a cool thing. But anyway, let me swing around. Over the last couple weeks, he has relayed all fence line. We're going to get all of this weed eating cleaned up, and then with him adding this gate here, now I can get access on the back property. And over the winter months, all of these down trees is from last year. The winter we had a really bad ice storm, and we had so many pines do not fare well in ice storms. They freeze up, the limbs are so heavy and they just break off and we lose the trees. If you look through there, you can see all these down trees. That was all from the ice storm. Anyway, once we get all this finished up over the winter months, this is a great project to do where you can get in with the chainsaw and get all this stuff cleaned up. So anyway, getting over here was one of the things I got sidetracked on, but it was well worth it. I'm so glad to help my neighbor, and we always, try to work together and help each other. So anyway, just wanted to bring you guys that update as well. So anyway, that's it for now. I've got a really cool surprise for you on the next video. I will definitely be at a point that I will be staining. Don't want to give the surprise away yet, but it's a real cool product I want to feature on the next video, and can't wait to use it myself. I've never used it before, but I'm super excited about it. I'll tell you more about it on the next video. So for now, guys, that's it. I will see you guys soon. Remember, at Project Next, there's always one more. And by the way, guys, if you guys are finding these videos beneficial, if you will, I'm trying my best to reach that big 100 subscriber plateau, and I would appreciate so much if you guys would help me out by considering clicking the subscribe button. So anyway, that's all for now. See you guys soon with another video. Take care. We'll see you soon.